This is the Bluetooth module for Ferrari, and this is the cable. And this is the audio system for the Ferrari. This is also from the other side. Here we have three connectors. Basically, on this cabling we have one side which is male, one side which is female. So here we have male, so we connect the female directly here. And then this will go directly to the cabling of the original part. Next step will be to connect the module, this part to this part. Okay, and then we are ready to install it. Once it's connected to the power supply, before starting the car, we need to connect the fuse. Now the fuse position is over here. Here there are several fuses. Depending on the car configuration, the fuse may be several missing or not. If there is only one space, just use that one. If there is more than one fuse missing, then just contact us and send us a picture, and then we will tell you which one is safe and how to test. And then for the installation, that's it. Then you can just mount it back. So this is after dismantling. The last step is to disconnect this and this connector. This connector is connected directly here, which is where the light is, and the other one is to control the opening. Then when we open, we need to remember that this part, we need a little bit of strength to open. The rest will go down by itself if we take out all the screws. So when you open, this part will go down by itself, but this part will have a little bit of strength. Now we just open it up, so it's easy, but actually you may need to use a little bit more strength because you see there is this point here that will take a little bit of effort to take off.